All right, guys, so we got a call. One of our clients is having poor water pressure issues. This is obviously barely running at all, and it's obviously full open. So all of the water here in their main head system, everything is running really slow. The sink out here also barely trickling. So our first spot to look, we go find where the water pump is. We're going to kind of try to inspect, see what we're looking for. Right away you can hear the water pump is running pretty hard. The accumulator tank is running. They're both, you feel them, they're both kind of doing quite a bit of work. I'm going to look right here first. This is a little strainer, inline strainer. Looks pretty clogged to me. We're going to turn off the tank, turn off the water pressure, open this up, clean it out, and see if that helps. All right, so we removed the little cap, and then this is the filter, and it is very dirty and clogged. It's glad you don't have smell-o-vision because it smells really bad. We're gonna clean that out and start over and see how that works. So, water tank is back here. There's a cap on it. We're gonna try to remove the cap and get to actually look within the tank so we can clean it out, pump it out, make sure there's no additional garbage within there. There's been some mold growing in there. We just need to clear it all out. So. Opened up, this is the water tank here. Opened up the top and we look inside. Not sure if you can see it well, but that is all mold and just other grossness. So we are going to vacuum, shop vac out all of this crud, and we'll rinse it out, clean it out a few times, and then we will move on to fresh water, hopefully for the near future. All right, now that we've put everything back together, the water pump is back on. Our water flow is a beautiful, strong flow. It is a nice, fresh smell since we've cleaned out the holding tank. And from now on, we will just monitor this. We'll empty the water tank maybe bi-weekly or every couple weeks, kind of freshen it up, clean it out, and this is going to be a lot nicer. We got great water flow and no more issues.